What's up, YouTube? Dizzy D Ski here again for my third box of Just Miners Mystery Jerseys Baseball. And let's see what we got here. Oops. And we've got John Smoltz, autographed Atlanta white. Oh, it's an authentic jersey. Very nice. That's actually one I was kind of hoping to get. Oh, very nice. So again, authentic right here. John Smoltz, autographed Atlanta white authentic jersey. So very cool right on the number there. You can see that. So not going to take it out. But again, very nice jersey for my third box, John Smoltz. Thanks for watching.